Well, imagine this, a new roadway just south of the JFK Causeway that connects Padre Island to the south side of Corpus Christi and then over to the Crosstown extension. Well, that vision took another step closer to becoming a concrete reality when the City Council took a second and final vote today in favor of creating what's been dubbed the Regional Parkway. Now, the idea is to help handle the increased traffic load on the south side, as well as provide an additional evacuation route for residents out on the island. However, again, today's vote was just the first step in a process that could take years, if not decades, to bring to fruition. Water should soon start flowing again in some of the bayfront water attractions that have been bone dry for quite some time now. City Council approved a contract today that will repair the water garden and the bayfront splash fountain that quit working about 2 years ago. The Parks and Recreation Department has had the plans in place to repair them for a while, just didn't have the funding to put those plans into action. No word yet on when the water features will be operational again, but we'll keep you posted on that.